Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a cake Prismatic Gag. First, understand that this delightful prank involves creating a cake that appears ordinary on the outside, but reveals a stunning rainbow of colors when cut. It's a fantastic way to surprise your friends and family at any gathering. We'll cover everything from preparing the batter to achieving that perfect colorful reveal. To begin, you'll need a basic white cake batter, either from a box mix or your preferred recipe. The key to the prismatic effect is gel food coloring. Aim for at least 6 distinct, bright shades. You'll also want 3 8-inch round cake pans, parchment paper, and plenty of mixing bowls to separate your batter. Having these items ready makes the process smooth and enjoyable. Now for the fun part. Divide your white cake batter into 6 equal portions, one for each color. Add a few drops of gel food coloring to each bowl, mixing until the color is vibrant and uniform. Then, spoon the colored batters into your prepared cake pans. Start with a small dollop of one color in the center, then add a ring of the next color around it, continuing until all batter is used. Bake your cakes as directed by your recipe, usually for about 25 to 30 minutes, or until a toothpick inserted comes out clean. Let them cool completely before frosting with a simple white or light-colored icing to maintain the surprise. When it's time to serve, slice into the cake and watch the amazed reactions as the vibrant colors are revealed. Don't forget to check the description for a link to some fantastic darn tough socks and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.